by saying what a special day this has been. It's been wonderful. We're so happy to have been part of it. Jen, you look beautiful. Today we welcome Jen into our family as a daughter and a sister to Charlotte, James and Jen. We are proud of you both, and all that you have achieved is an understatement, and we give you all of our love and support today and always.
The precious time it just passes us by, and we know till it's gone. The precious time it just passes us by.
I actually remember that I joked to James a couple of years ago. I said, "You're always happy and laughing," and he told me that Jen says this. She says, "You're the happiest guy in the world." I'm just going to say a few words about Jen. I know now that Jen is funny, kind, she'll do anything for anyone. I also know that she couldn't be a better fit for my best mate. Just like to finish by saying I love you both. I wish you all the happiness in the world and all the best for your new chapter doing life together. To Jen and James, the new Mr. and Mrs. Durham.
Fade into the night, another day is waiting to begin. In the still golden evening light.
Today is one of the proudest moments of my life, seeing Jennifer marry the man she loves. We couldn't have asked for a better setting for the wedding, and how Jennifer looks today, wouldn't you all agree? She has grown from a beautiful young girl into a gorgeous young woman. The things I love about Jen: she's independent, trustworthy and beautiful inside and out. James became part of our family, so now we have an extended family, Mert, Ros and Charlotte. So let's raise a glass to the happy couple, to Jen and James. Hope you have a long and happy life together. Cheers.
Cheers.
Of all the places you've been and people you've met, you've ended up here with me. It's so difficult for me to express all of my love for you in a short set of vows, but I'm going to try. The reason I knew so early on is because you show so many unbelievable qualities that make you such an outstanding and special person. You're so kind, patient, honest and caring. You bring out the complete best in me, and I can fully be myself around you, weirdness or not. You're literally everything I've been searching for and everything I'll ever need. You're honestly the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I'm the luckiest woman in the world to now call you mine. I promise to always, continuously be the wife that you want and deserve. I promise that I'll always love and support you unconditionally. I promise I'll be honest, faithful and supportive. I promise to protect you from harm and stand side by side with you in times of trouble. I promise to cherish you, devote time to you, and spend the rest of our days laughing together. So wherever we go, and wherever life takes us, I know it'll always be us, together, forever.
From the very first time that we met, all I ever wanted to do is spend more time with you, get to know you, and be a part of your life. It excites me now more than ever, knowing that I will be spending the rest of my life with you. Words cannot express how thankful I am that you have let me into your life and shown me unconditional love through not just the good times but also the difficult times. I am truly blessed to have such a beautiful, caring, funny, driven and loving person by my side. Whilst being together, I feel that you have made me into a better, more considerate, selfless person, and you have shown me what true love actually means. and I promise to make you feel as loved as I do. I promise to support you through the good times and the hard times. I promise to always be by your side. I promise to care for you when you need it the most. Jen, I love you so much, and I am honoured to call you my wife.
As from this moment, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
We're the fighters. We won't stop, won't quit no matter the cost.
My best friend, soul sister, my partner in crime. As if fated, you dated, neither ever alone. You saved up for a house and you made it your own. Adoration and humour, your perfect romance. It seems a future together was never by chance. Fast forward to today, we're all sat here dead smart to celebrate a truly gorgeous couple, two adventurers at heart. From Iceland to Florida, from Athens to Rome, as long as you're together, the whole world is your home. So please raise a glass and toast to a new adventure just begun, and their love just now blessed by the Cyprian sun. Congratulations, kids, love you.
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time. This is our time. Reaching higher.
I hope you're all having a brilliant time and enjoying this special day as much as we are. I'd first like to thank all of our friends who have made an incredible effort to be with us here today during this time. You really are a special group of people who have been with us throughout this journey, and it means so much to us that you're here today, so thank you all. Next, I'd like to thank Babs and Dave, who have always accepted me and our relationship. I'm truly honoured to be a part of such an amazing, supportive and kind family. Lastly, I'd like to thank my beautiful wife, Jen. I couldn't have asked for a more supportive, caring, loving, thoughtful, like-minded person to be in my life. I honestly don't know how I've landed such a perfect person, and I thank my lucky stars every day. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you.